All right. Auto deductible reimbursement. Jasmine, what is that?
I haven't heard that term yet.
Marcus?
I would think that's, the deductible on the warranty. Being
No.
refunded.
Tadaris, you've been here for a while. What is the auto deductible reimbursement program?
So like, let's say you come into like, trying to think, cause I done heard of it. I'm trying to think exactly. I don't know exactly, but this is what I think. I think it's like whenever you get some money back, but I don't know exactly what you gotta do to get the money back. You get some money back though.
So we would not be able to create much value for the customer, would we?
No.
No. Okay. Well, we gotta get better at this.
Okay.
All right. Auto deductible reimbursement. It's good for 1 year. I leave here in a new Honda, or I leave here in a Motor Trend certified vehicle, and I have an accident. Okay? If I bring the vehicle back to this body shop here, Bisbee Honda will pick up $1,000 worth of my deductible on my policy. Okay?
Like your insurance policy.
On my collision. Okay. Now let me tell you how to create. I'm gonna do all this on video in role playing in a few minutes. But if I bought a car here, right now the deductible on my policy is $1,000. Okay. So if I have an accident and need body work done, I can come up with $1,000. But if I bought my car here, either a Motor Trend certified vehicle or a new Honda, I would raise my deductible on my policy to $2,000, which would drop my premiums. I can't remember the last time I had body work done to a vehicle. I haven't had an accident, I don't know, for 30 years, 40 years. So on the surface, this would have no value to me. But if someone explained to me that, look, if your deductible's $1,000 right now and you're willing to pay $1,000, raise your deductible to $2,000, lower your premiums, and if you do have an accident, it would be exactly the same as if you had your $1,000 deductible. So there's a way for a customer to save money every single time, whether they have an accident or not. Does everybody understand that? Okay? Do you have an insurance policy on your